Hey guys, welcome back. I am actually set up to shoot like 3 other videos, but this came in the mail and I'm super excited about this, so I wanted to open it and film it now. So this is my first ever order from Anna Bean Paper Co. Anna Bean on a Mission on Instagram, and this stuff's really cool. So um, Eileen had posted a picture on Instagram of an order from here, and I was just like, ooh, I need to go look and see what they have. So I've heard of her before. People have shown her sticker book, stuff like that. But this caught my eye, so I went over to check it out. So thank you, Eileen, for posting that picture. And actually talked to Anna a little bit on Instagram, and she is just delightful and such a sweet person, and she was a lot of fun to chat with. So let's open this stuff up and see what I got. Alright, and really, is this packaging just not adorable? Okay, I have absolutely no idea what to open first. This one, I always feel bad ripping stickers on tissue paper. You guys have seen me struggle with this so many times. If I can get it out without doing that. Oh, I can. Because then I can break out my front undo. Okay. Alright, cool. Cute little bag. Ah, see, there's another sticker right here. My kids choose now to run the water, of course. You know, I just told them I was shooting a video. They don't care if you guys can hear me or not. Alright, let's see. So I, of course, went looking for 4th of July stuff because my birthday. Another cute little bag. Look at this washi. What are you? Sticky notes. Red, white, and blue star sticky notes. I know I have sticky note obsession. Okay, what are you? Pen loop. And another pen. How cute. Okay, now, what do you have in here? Paper clips. Ooh. Got stars. Is this getting on camera? No. Okay. Stars. There's a heart. Swirlies. These are cool. I think they're all pretty much the same. It looks like there's 3 red, 3 white, 3 blue, 3 stars, and this heart. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be in there or if it's an accident, but it's cool. I'll take it. Okay, so this was this little package, but it also comes with this. I don't think they were separate, but there were like 2 or 3 ordering options. Now, let's see. Am I going to get as lucky with you? Probably not. So, it's mostly okay. Oh my. So that was lots of noise. I'll just pop that down here. I just want to make sure there's nothing in here with my address on it or anything like that. Okay, I don't think so. Okay, so there's this card with a quote from Coco Chanel, and then on the back, thank you for supporting her business. And then, I'm not sure what you are. I know it's from the Bible. It's silly, but I mean, like, I don't know what to call this. So, if you guys know, let me know, but I have no idea. Oops, wait, I have multiple things here. Okay, hold on. Alright, so we've got another one of these. So, oh, I see. Okay, so one of these pouches, and I guess one of these cards, this one most likely goes with this, and this goes with that. So I'm going to put that over there. Okay, now I get it. Alright, so we got this vellum envelope and this cute sticker. Alright, so cut out all the silence. Okay, so this comes with a cute little note. And then all these stickers for my birthday. And these are all on vellum. all of them. So the band-aids make it complicated. You guys would have an easier time with this. Yeah, they are. These are all clear, like vellum type stickers. Look how cute. And then there's strips of smaller stickers. We got fireworks and stars of various shapes and sizes. Oh, I like these. That's so cute. And that's one big sticker, and then there's smaller and bigger stars, and then there's these quotes. I like that. And balloons. And we've got more stars and balloons of various sizes. They cute. Oops. Fireworks. We've got fireworks. And then we've got Let Freedom Ring and a firecracker. And then we've got firecrackers, sunglasses, and stars on this one. And let's see, there's a lot of stickers here. More quotes and stars. I love these sunglasses. They're cracking me up. I think I had a pair like that when I was a kid. Big firecracker, made in the USA, Stars and Stripes, God Bless America, Freedom Rocks, 4th of July, lots of USAs on here. America established 1776. So cute. And we got hot air balloons and flags. Oh look, cupcakes and little hearts with flags. And these kind of banners up here. Those are very cute. Oh wait, we got more little ones. There's more. Okay, so we've got cupcakes and a larger banner, and then cupcakes, a heart and a larger banner, and then we've got some smaller banners with a flag heart. That's cool. And then we've got one last sheet, a giant hot air balloon, some like bunting, and hearts and cupcakes, and another flag and flag hearts, and it's all red, white, and blue, which you guys know I love for my birthday. So this is really cool. I love this. This is more than enough. This is cool. I really like this. Like, look at all this. This is crazy. Like, this ton of stickers and all of this. Like, how cool is that? Alright, we're gonna have to swatch this, but let's do... Alright. Okay. Let's see if we can do this one without having to move that stuff too much. Okay, so we've got another one of these, which I think is just like a prayer. But if you guys know better, let me know. And we've got cute watermelon paper, but it ripped in transit, so I think I can just pop this out of here. Make sure I'm not missing anything. I am not. Okay. Yellow bag. Alright, so we know where the yellow bag is going. Got another one of those cute stickers. What is this? More washi. What are you? Ooh, pears and pineapples and oranges and leaves. This is pretty. Okay, so we've got a popsicle shaped box with the sticker on it. So now I'm like, okay, so the sticker can act as a hinge. So this has all these clips in here. So we've got like a sun and flower and flowers. Not sure, apple. Swirlies. Pineapple. Swirlies. A flamingo. More swirlies. I forget the name of that thing. Seahorse. I knew it would come to me if I stared at it. Dolphin. What are you, little one? Oops. Alright, my hinge broke. Alright, so I'm guessing, I don't know. What do you guys think? Ice cream cone, maybe? Or just a circle? I don't know. But that's really cute. How inventive. Alright, let's put these back in here before they get lost or mixed up with the other ones, and then I forget what goes with who. Okay, that's really cool. I like that. What? Okay, not sticky notes. This is a notepad. It's a half of a pomegranate. How cute's that? And they're blank on the back, so if you don't have a pen dark enough to write over that, you could always write it on the back. That's cute. And we've got pens. So we get this really cool blue one. It's lighter than the other one. The other one is darker. And they have gems in them, which is cool. And then this is a light blue with a giant gem on top. How pretty. And light blue pen loop. I still have to figure out how you stick these into things. I have a bunch of them now. I think they'd probably be very useful if I could figure out how to work them. Alrighty, so now we've got our vellum envelope. And stickers. And we've got the same note. Ooh, these are pretty. Monstera leaves. I love Monstera leaves. I love flowers. These are really pretty. There's like all different sizes too. And then we've got the small pieces, and this is like the other set. They're all like on clear, like vellum-y type paper, which is awesome. Unless I'm trying to cover up things in my dashboard, then not so much. But I can use these in so many other places. Get these. Got leaves, all different sorts, and flowers, all different colors. There is a bit of yellow in here, but it's not awful. Seashells, sand dollars. I like those. These are pretty. And then there's all little tiny like conch shells and stuff in here. That's really pretty. Yeah, we got small ones. Ooh, starfish. Right, we got all different sizes and colors. And here's the big sheet for the, oh, I see food. Okay, here's the big sheet for this. Sand dollars, we got the starfish and bigger conch shells, which is cool. And then we've got little kiwis and watermelons and lemons and limes, and I'm not sure, is that a starfish or star fruit? Because star fruit doesn't actually look like a star. At least not in that way. I don't know, but it's cute. And here's our tropical fruit, and we've got like big corner stickers with like a pineapple. It's like a tropical cornucopia without the horn thing. It's really cool. And here's that star again, so it's supposed to be here. That's really cool. Alright, and we got more flowers. Oh, and flamingos. Ha, flowers on Monstera leaves. She has just won my heart. That's just like the perfect combination. Okay, so we've got flamingos covered in flowers, and then we got more flowers with Monstera leaves. How cool is that? Okay, now we got more flowers. This is kind of like that tropical vibe thing. I think Simply Gilded is coming out with stuff like this. They already came out with some. They're coming out with more, I think, on Friday. That's really pretty. All the tiny little ones. Are these white or are these clear too? I think they're all clear, but I have to check. Yep, all clear. Okay. Ooh, parrots. Okay, so we've got a parrot and some little flowers. And we've got like some multicolored swishies. They kind of look like, what's the word I'm looking for? They kind of look like, I don't know, the horizon, like the beach water, the sky. Maybe they're supposed to look like that. We got some more flowers. And a whole bunch of seagulls. Wow. That's a lot of them. And we've got more parrots. Yeah, this is definitely supposed to be like the beach, the water, and the sunset or sunrise. However you want to, it looks like sunset to me. I don't know. We've got palm trees. Look, a toucan. How cute. flamingos, parrots, and lots of tiny flowers. This is really cool. Alright, so I'm going to be shopping from here. Okay, so I'm going to have to figure out where in the video to pop this in, but I said we were going to swatch this washi, and then I ended the video, and I forgot to swatch the washi. Find... I don't have a spot in my book yet. I didn't remember, or I think no, might be remember, that there was washi in here. So, we'll do... Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Okay. So this is the one from the, like, summary bundle. I can't remember the names of what I got. I'll try to pop them up on the screen, because I'm pretty sure I have an email that tells me what I bought. So this is, like, the summary washi. Oops. Okay. And then this is the 4th of July flag washi. It was a little hard to start, but now it's okay. Look how cool that is. That's an excellent border. Planner pages, cards, journals, tags, place settings for barbecues, like little name cards and stuff, or labels for what the food is if people don't know. You can use that for a lot of stuff. I really like that. Okay, I'm gonna pop back out now. This is really cute. I love this stuff. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.